Researchers at NIST, the National Institute of Standards and Technology, have trained an AI to detect the sound of a lithium battery that is about to catch fire. It turns out there is a characteristic sound of a safety valve releasing excess gas pressure, and this is a precursor to the unstoppable runaway fire situation that happens with lithium batteries. Alistair, do you have very good ears?
I'm not sure I would be able to pick out this safety valve popping. I certainly didn't notice it when I had, for one of my hobbies, we use lithium ion batteries, and I had some particularly puffy batteries, and they did go boom and go fire, fire, happily in a really controlled location. I didn't hear the safety valves go off, but apparently this AI can. These researchers spent some time recording around, particularly, it seems like just one or two batteries, and they could hear the sound of that safety valve going off as the gas release inside the battery began. And that was very clearly the starting point to, or close to the point at which this fire gets initiated. Couple of things in this. It would be really nice if there was a way to detect this safety valve release and then actually stop whatever thermal runaway was about to cause an unstoppable fire. Because as we know, these lithium batteries, if they're charged, you expose them to air and they will catch fire. So you put some sort of fire suppressant, even if it's CO2, that starves them of oxygen. As soon as that dissipates, the fire erupts again. So this is a very hard fire to put out. And of course, it's not just electric vehicles, but also cell phones. The Galaxy Note 7 was notorious for catching fire. And the safety warnings on aircraft, on Air New Zealand as I fly, they tell you not to move your seat if you've dropped your phone into it, just in case you split your phone open and cause a fire in the plane. So it's a big concern, but it seems that this research is quite early. One of the things I saw in the article that was published by NIST is that the researchers didn't seem to have enough recordings of these safety valves going off to properly train an AI model. And so they did some variations to the simple set of recordings they had and treated that as a larger set of data, which doesn't sound like it's actually a larger set of data.